Guys, welcome to my channel MateABC English, and today I want to show you how to resolve mathematical reasoning problems. And this is the 7th video, so let's get started. And the question says like this: observe the following number, which is lack of the digit 5. Which position do we have to put the digit in order to get the biggest number? So I encourage you guys to pause the video and try to figure it out. So the question says that which position do we have to put 5 in order to get the biggest number? One way to do that is writing all the possible combinations, but it is easier to do it because we only have 5 options. But if we have 10, 20, 7, 100, that's not easy. The other way that I want to show you is this, and it's to know the position digit. So if you have 2 positions and 3 numbers like 9, 7 and 0, you can create these numbers, no? 99, 90 and 97. Which number is greater than the other? Well, the answer is that this is greater, no? And why is this? Well, as you know, 97 is greater than 90 because in this position, in the second one, they are equal. But in the second one, 7 is greater than 0. How can we apply this to the problem? Well, that 5 we can put it in the A position, but we have 1, 5, 6, 7, etc. But if we put it in other position, we can have, if we put it in other position, we can have 1, 6, 7, etc. But eliminating this digit, which number is greater? Well, it's this, because 1 equals to 1, but 6 is greater than 5. So that's why this number is greater than the other. So we can apply the same reason to the other. So we cannot put it here because 5 is less than 6. And we can put it here because 5 is less than 7. But we can put it here because 5 is greater than 4. And for example, we have 1, 6, 7, 5, 4, 8, 3. This is the correct answer. But why isn't this position? Well, because we can have 1, 6, 7, 4, 5, 8. We can have 1,674,000, etc. But we can only have to compare these. But as the same reason, 4 is less than 5, in this position, we have that this number is greater than this. If we apply this reason to this position, the letter E, we have the same result. So that's why this letter, this position, the position C, is the correct answer. So thank you guys for watching this video. Like, comment and subscribe to this channel so you can receive the new notification, so click on the bell Thank you guys. I hope you to see you in my next videos. Bye.